Peace, Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
Boy, it sure is dark.
Well, after brushing my teeth, I wander back to the back of the boat in the dark. I head back here to my office, where I will work later.
Good morning. I get up a little after Bill gets up to go to work. I think it's, I don't know what time it is, 8:30, maybe 9 o'clock. Let me see. It's 9:30. Okay, first thing I do when I get up is I try to make the bed. It's just hard to do in here. And in fact, I try to make it up while I'm still in it. It's not perfect, but it's boat life. All right, so now I'm gonna go make myself a coffee and turn the lights off. I can do that. Or I can tell Alexa to turn them off. Here's my coffee. No pretty picture. And now I'm going to go back downstairs to my office. So turn the galley lights off.
Okay.
Turn the media lights on.
Okay.
This is my little office. I'm gonna get to work later. Lunchtime, I'm taking a break. Bill made some tea earlier, so I'm getting tea and I've heated up my leftover spaghetti. That's lunch. It is laundry day today. Taking this all the way back here. Hello? Turn the master stateroom light on. Almost done. Laundry's done. So now it's dinner time, and I'm coming up to get dinner started. We are going to have soup today. Where did it go? There it is. Okay. So this is chicken tortilla soup. What else do I need? My avocado. Oh, turn the galley lights on.
Okay.
Trying to get that last jalapeno out. It doesn't want to come out. We have a induction stove that's going to sit down in the countertop, but we haven't installed that yet. So we're cooking on this for now. Going to chop up some tomatoes. for the soup. Put some avocado in mine. Bill doesn't care for avocado. Just fine with me. More avocado for me. Put this in our trash compactor. And the vent on. I love this vent. It really sucks out the heat. Okay, I need to get chips out. It's our chip fridge, snack fridge. The recipe calls for frying your own tortillas, but I'm all about the easy way. So, cheese. So, I'm gonna turn that off. Cheese on a plate for us to share. Some chips to put in the soup. And I'm it. Got this recipe out of a Rocky Point Times newspaper. The one time we went to Rocky Point, Mexico, or Puerto Penasco, I think, Penasco. Muy bueno. I'm gonna pour that into the bowls. I don't have a ladle here on the boat yet, so I'm just gonna use this coffee cup to dip out and pour. Bill likes to add his chips to his soup later, and I like to add mine first.
You make tea?
You made tea earlier.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna drink the rest of this. Okay, hold on. Here's our little dishwasher. I hope I can get everything in here. It's pretty full already. This guy can go in there. Get in there, you. Okay, that's pretty full.
Yeah.
This. Have to wash the rest of that by hand later. Time to take a shower. Turn the handle on. Or I can use the rain shower.
Well, it's that exciting time of the week again where we have to clean our tanks out. We actually have two tanks. We have front and rear. This is where the rear one is. Taking the unit out and put the connector on. Now I'm going to go up to the storage shack where the hoses are kept. But right there is the connection point for our hoses. There's the old glorious hose. Oh. Okay, we'll go start it. Always good to gotta push it twice. Okay, you can open that one. Come on, get a close up.
I don't want a close-up shot. Nobody wants to see that, honey.
Sure they do. This is part of boat life.
Bill's been adding water to the tanks.
No tripping.
My hired hand.
Nice and red down below. 145 gallons. Gotta put 150 in on each side. So this one's almost done.
So when was the last time we put water in?
It was either right after we got in, or
Yeah.
it was a week after we'd been here.
How
So
many
it's
weeks
either
have we been on? This is our
two. This is going into the third week.
So do we need to lower our water usage, intake,
it's-
and output?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know when we started. The last time what the water levels were.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, percentage-wise, I mean, we were, 32% in one tank and 27% in the other one.
Yeah.
And now we're going from 32 up to about 50. What are we at right now? I was going to take it to 50, actually. We are at 48 right now. 48, and this is at 154, so I'm going to go ahead and take it to 50. So, it's, we added 18%
What do you
water
mean
there.
to 50? 50%?
50%, yeah.
Okay.
So we used, over a 2-week period, we used about 25% of the water capacity.
I think we did that 2 weeks ago. So we used
250 gallons over a 2-week period, which, I mean, in our house in Phoenix, we were using 100 gallons a day.
Well, that
that's
included the
family
pool.
of 5, yeah. Got a big pool here.
Yeah. We're not trying to fill it though.